Good evening, everyone. I'm Stephen Vero. You can check out my blog, put some ramblings on there. Check me out on Twitter, and there's my GitHub, sbiro. This is my presentation on ES5 to ES6, some different processes to save your sanity that I found in what I was doing. A little bit about me. I've been working on the web since '97. I'm a senior software engineer now with a Bachelor of Science in Comp Sci. I've been doing Angular on the enterprise level for about a little over 2.5 years. And a little over a year of enterprise mean stack experience as well. I recently launched my next startup that it took me about 2 years to develop properly, and you can check it out, orderworks.com. So a little background. Recently, I had the opportunity to work with John Papa and Tim Farrell. John Papa is fairly popular in the JavaScript community. You may have heard of him on Pluralsight. He's an author on there. It's on his Toaster open source notification library on GitHub. So it gives you like a little widget that you can place on the screen to give notifications to your users. And we were wanting to change the code, strip out jQuery, and upgrade it to ES6. And in that process, we were also taking out QUnit and putting Mocha in place instead. So these are just some of the things that we found to help save our sanity in this process. So process one, your transpiler. For anyone here that doesn't know what that is, the transpiler will take your ES6 code and transpile it down to ES5 so that your browser can run it properly. So right here, pick your transpiler and stick with it. There was actually a lot of back and forth between all of us which one we wanted to go with. We ended up choosing Babel mainly because the documentation we found easier to read overall as a group. But Tracer is an excellent option as well. Babel is by Sedmek, that's his GitHub username, and the dev community at large, where Tracer is actually supported by Google directly. And they're both on GitHub. Process two, your tasks. Be smart, set up tasks to do everything you possibly can. Transpile, code linting, test runners, anything else that might need to happen, like minification. We use Gulp, but Grunt works as well. And process three are unit tests. And with the unit tests, I always say, if you have no unit tests, you need to create some using the testing framework that you want to use. So start with the basic but crucial functionality for whatever application you're looking to upgrade and build it up from there. And this is at least 100 times more important if you are actually stripping out some type of dependency, because the number of errors that we got from trying to remove jQuery and certain things became painful, and without the unit tests, it would have taken just unimaginably a lot longer. And for this, Jasmine and Mocha are both really great options we found. And some different resources for you in ES6 to look at. Babel. I actually found Babel to be probably one of what I would consider the best primers for, I think, picking up ES6 today and just learning from it. They're very easy to read, really well written. If anybody here doesn't already do it currently for your day job, but the developer docs from Mozilla are excellent as well. A lot of great detail in there, great code samples. I really, really suggest looking at those. And if you really want to get crazy and look at some stuff pretty in depth, the official ES6 docs from ECMA International really gets you really in pretty deep. And that's it. Thank you.